As you get more experience with your trades and you start to see the same patterns happen over and over on a pair that you follow, you'll be able to refine your entry zones. After choosing your 15-minute POI, you'll see that sometimes the 1-minute zone is not as easy to spot. So you may have to work on your analysis and experience to both protect your stop loss and at the same time, try to get triggered on the trade you're trying to enter. What I do for my trades is find the 1-minute zone and use the GAN box, I believe that's the name, and highlight my area of interest. You then have the choice of entering at the distal, like the edge of the zone, the EQ, which is the equilibrium or the 50% of the zone, or you can use a more custom approach. So you'll be protecting your loss and you move your entry until it reaches the max Pip allowance for that pair. And before you choose any of these three options, the number one priority is to protect your stop loss. You don't want to be tagged out of a trade just because you were too aggressive with your stop loss. I personally use option 3 as it allows me to enter more trades, but also to not chase trades trying to widen my stop. Also, just FYI, my minimum pip stop loss is 2 pips. Sometimes I plan my entry based on a strong target I'm aiming for. So since my RR is a 5-to-1, sometimes I will move my entry price to aim for that strong target. You might get tagged in on a trade or you might not. So you need to be okay with it and move on to the next trade. What you cannot do is base your trading plan around your emotions. Any decisions you make needs to be 100% mechanical. I think that being able to enter trades with 3 to 6 pips is already mind-blowing. Hitting 8 to 10 hours in minutes is super usual with this strategy. Just keep in mind that this specific lesson is to show you the overall foundation of our entries. We will use this initial idea and refine it even more in our trading strategy section.